everyone, I'm Heather from the Nocatee Welcome Center, and it's Walkthrough Wednesday, and I'm with the beautiful Lisa of David Weekly Homes. And guess what? We're in Daniel Park at the Town Center, and we love the Town Center, and Lisa's going to take us around this beautiful home.
The Town Center is definitely a great place to be. It has everything right nearby, and Front Porch Fridays are always a hit with the neighbors.
Oh,
here.
I bet.
So we've got a great front porch in this gorgeous home.
The front porch really is beautiful, and that's why we wanted to start right there. We didn't care that the sun was in our eyes because it was so important to just show how big it is. But also this driveway is really big, and Carlene will get some photographs that she'll put online. But when you come see Lisa, you do need to see, you could really fit comfortably 6 cars in your own driveway, which is a big deal here. And we're very excited to go through this house because guess what? How many homes left do you even have in Daniel Park?
We only have 6 opportunities left.
Wow.
So they're all in various stages.
Really, a handful of homes left. And y'all, if you want to be in the Town Center, this is it. You've got to get one of these homes. Okay, as we walk in, beautiful entryway.
Gorgeous entryway, all done in nice pools, grays and whites. We've got the 2 bedrooms up front, so David Weekly Homes are so well built. We've got nice insulation in the walls. It makes these rooms very quiet and nice and private because the master's in the back. So these 2 up front bedrooms give you some privacy, both families or guests or...
Exactly. I do like the separation. I like when they're not right next to one another. And like you said, whether it's you having children or if you're empty nesters and your kids are coming back to visit or friends, I do like that they have their own space in the front. And then as we come up, I always want to get this because David Weekly does a great job with storage. And so we've got a beautiful coat closet right here. So this is where your guests can, of course, put their coats. If it's raining in our summer months, we can put our umbrellas in there.
And beachwear.
Yeah, beachwear. Exactly. And then under the stairs, I'm assuming that's just more storage, right?
Well, it seems like that, but guess what it is? It
What
is
is it?
actually a great laundry room.
Okay, a laundry room under the stairs. Now, I think this is one of the most unique things I've ever seen in one of our Town Center communities. I love this. It's actually very tall. We've got the beautiful tile on the floors. And then because it's under the stairs, you've got that extra storage space that you don't always get in the laundry room. So again, I want to let people know, everyone knows I love a laundry room. And this particular one is not only unique, but it's very, very big. Okay, this to me is the showstopper of your home.
Wow. Nice open floor plan, and again, David Weekly is known for well-placed windows. So take a look at all the different windows that are in this area, the different shapes and sizes that add to the character of the home. And then you've got French doors out to your beautiful backyard and extended lanai, as well as pocket sliders. So those pocket sliders fold all the way into the wall and just disappear.
I love that, and that's great for entertaining. So when we do have our cooler months, you get that indoor-outdoor entertaining. And with this spacious room, and also with the kitchen going into the family room, going into, which we'll show in a minute, this really awesome flex space room, you're all together. Okay, love the drop zone.
Of course, we have the mudroom area, the drop zone. So when you come in from the 2-car garage, you have a place to put your things, so they don't accumulate on this gorgeous, huge island that we have here.
Okay, this island, and Carlene, because this is not just a standard, yes, it's extended, but standard island, I want you to walk around it because you're showing people the cabinets, the drawers. You're showing people, of course, we've got a beautiful dishwasher, the farm sink up top, but then you keep coming around. And then look at this, a cool area for shelving. You could do cookbooks there or knickknacks or whatever you want, but I just love how they've done this island. It's just dressed up and beautiful. Now, I'll let Lisa talk about some of the beautiful appliances in here.
Well, the kitchen is fantastic, really, for those chefs. Like you said, you have your lots of cookbook storage right there on the island. You've got tremendous prep space. You've got a gourmet kitchen with the stainless steel vented hood. The gas range built into the countertop, the microwave and oven built into the cabinet space. So this is made for cooking, and you can really enjoy it.
And lots of cabinets and drawers. That's what I can't get over. You know, I'm really blown away because, again, we're in the Town Center, and you normally don't see houses this big. So remind people again, what is the square footage of this home?
This home is just over 2,600 square feet. It is
restaurant.
It is.
It's a
It's
town
big.
center.
No, it's one of our biggest homes here, and definitely one of the biggest homes left. Only 6 opportunities, so we're getting down to the countdown, but you do have lots of space in here. And you can tell how open it is. Really open living space, and you're connected to this extra flex space. So on our floor plan, it's a study, but it can be used however meets your lifestyle, whether it's a piano or a music room or a playroom, or if you want to put a library in here. Of course, there are always great windows and a lot of natural light coming in, so you can sit and enjoy your book by the sunlight.
That is, and I have to say, when I saw this, being a parent of a young child, I thought to myself, I would immediately make that the homework area, because then you're still in the same space as your child, you know, being in the kitchen, cooking, whatever you're doing, but yet they are downstairs with you, which I think is so important. But I love that space. But also a crafting room. So many people now, they're crafting, or if you're into gaming, that would be a fun game of board games, poker, whatever. I love that. Okay, extended lanai, Carling's been showing. And I want to tell people, again, we're in the town center, but this yard, y'all, is so long, lots of space. So if you are a pet owner, have a dog, lots of space. And Lisa, didn't you say they could even run along the sides?
Yeah, so it has great runs along the side, and then of course you have this beautiful area which is already landscaped, and you already have a fence up in the backyard.
I love that.
That's a nice benefit.
Yeah, it really is, because fences are not cheap. So it's great that you already have a fence, you have beautiful landscaping. You really just need to turnkey move in, put some chairs and a table out there.
That's right.
Okay, now let's go into the owner's suite. I always love this space.
Yeah, the owner's suite is really great. David Weekley does a fantastic job with the windows. So you can see there's a huge picture window in the middle. You've got these great privacy windows, so they're up high. They allow for furniture placement, so you have room to put your nightstands and your lamps. Your bed goes in between them. You're still getting tons of natural light. You still have privacy, and it's great for furniture placement.
It really is, and thank you for, David Weekley always does this. They put those 2 windows up high traditionally. I love that, love that, love that, because then my furniture is not hitting the window.
Exactly.
Or if people put those beautiful lights, you know, that they do into the walls. I love that you have that space.
Absolutely.
This shower, to me, I know you're not showing the shower yet, Carling, I apologize, but that shower is just magnificent. The tile work is beautiful.
It really is a super shower. So not just with size, but the detail. Just love that tile work that was selected for this gorgeous kitchen. You still get a window. So again, David Weekley loves our windows, loves our natural light.
But way up high for privacy.
Absolutely.
Yes, very important to know. And then Carling was showing, you've got the 2 vanity sinks, which I like. You've got your own cabinetry on either side. That's important. Some beautiful drawers in the middle, so you've done a great job there. And then, of course, they always do something special in the closet.
Our closets are always very, very special, not only because we make sure to allow for plenty of space, but we also include a built-in shelf. So that's a really sturdy shelf. It's great for luggage or just heavier items, so storage bins or anything that you might need. Yeah. But it really does give you that extra storage space.
Right here. I mean, there's so much storage. And everyone, again, this, I promise you, is a big closet. It's long, it is spacious. The big word for this particular Crandon with a bonus room floor plan is spacious, is smart design also, just smart design. So let's remind people, we are in the amazing, everybody wants to live here, town center of Nocatee. So I want to ask Lisa, tell me some reasons people are choosing to move to the David Weekley Community Daniel Park in the town center versus some of your other neighborhoods.
Well, the number one reason people pick Daniel Park and why it's so hugely popular and why we only have 6 remaining is because it's convenient. It's walkable. It's really easy to get to the shops and restaurants. It's just a short walk away, but even a shorter golf cart ride away. It's literally 1 minute to drive to 1 minute.
Wow. And that's right, she talked about, we are in the heart of Nocatee. We're in the center. We're right near the Nocatee Parkway, so it is easy to get out. So if you're going to Jacksonville or going to St. Augustine, easy to get in and out. There are sidewalks around this whole community, and you literally walk across the street and you are at the award-winning Nocatee Splash Park and the new Spray Park. So that's important because you're by those amenities. Pools. Okay, what is this,
Wait a second,
Carly?
what is this?
And this is awesome storage space. So we talked about how much storage this home has. Well, this is walk-in attic storage space.
Are you kidding me?
I know, it's
Look at
so
this.
great. You can actually walk in there, you can put all of your things right there, stack it up, and have that easy access in and out.
I think if we measured that, that's the size of a bedroom.
It's about 120 square feet.
That is amazing. And then of course we have more storage, I bet, to the right. Let's just at least open this one
what is
door.
this one?
We gotta open the one.
More storage.
Another linen closet. You've
I
got
love that.
tons of storage and great space up here.
Okay, this is one of the biggest bonus rooms. I mean, huge. Huge, huge, huge. But then look to the left right here, Carling. We've got a whole nother room over here.
I know, the kids can fight through this room, or the guests might really enjoy their privacy up here, so they can have their own room up here, a full bath, and the bonus room.
Okay, and David Weekly, they're with Energy Star. So tell me what that means, because there's some viewers that may not know.
Well, thank you for asking about that. That is one of the great things about David Weekly. And a lot of people worry about a two-story home because of the varying degrees in temperature. Well, David Weekly guarantees that no room in your home will be more than 3 degrees different.
3 degrees.
Right.
Okay, I'm buying a David Weekly home today. I've been saying it for years. One day I'm gonna buy every house, apparently. But I wanna let people know we are in the heart of Nocatee. We are in the beautiful town center, but guess what, guys? This is the 5th community in the town center, and there's only a handful of homes left. So it's important that you call Lisa, call the rest of the team of David Weekly Homes. They are also award-winning. They are in the award-winning community of Nocatee. Everybody wants to be out here. They're selling homes like hotcakes.
Absolutely. And
Selling
there are only
homes.
6 left.
I know, we're gonna be out of jobs soon. Very exciting, very exciting.
It is
But
exciting.
I wanna remind people, we are watching Walk Through Wednesday, brought to you by the award-winning developers of Nocatee, the Park Group, and I'm here with Lisa of David Weekly Homes. Bye.
Bye.